Hello kids! Today we will learn alphabet with colorful pictures. Let's begin! A. A is for avocado. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. Meow meow. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish swimming in the water. G. G is for grapes, sweet and juicy. H. H is for hat, put on your head. I. I is for ice cream, cold and tasty. J. J is for juice, so fresh. K. K is for kite. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. M. M is for mango, the king of fruits. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sun, bright and warm. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van, vroom vroom. W is for TikTok, watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. G is for zebra. Yay! We learned A to Z. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.